Today, I would like to show you one of my favorite herbal hairsprays. It's a lightweight, alcohol-free scalp treatment that can be used every day without leaving the hair greasy or heavy. The combination of herbs, caffeine, and ginseng helps support a healthy scalp, reduce hair loss, and make stronger, fuller-looking hair over time. To begin, place fresh nettle, rosemary, sage, and black tea in a clean, disinfected heat-proof glass, then pour in enough distilled water to cover everything. Place the container over a water bath, cover the jar, and let the herbs slowly infuse for 15-20 minutes. Once the infusion is ready, strain a small amount of the hot liquid into a separate container. While it's still hot, add the caffeine powder and stir until it's completely dissolved. Caffeine dissolves much more easily in warm water than in cold. Next, add the ginseng powder and mix well. If you have a dry or sensitive scalp, you can also add a little glycerin. It helps attract moisture to the skin and can make the spray feel more comfortable without making the hair oily. Now strain in the rest of the herbal infusion and top it up to the final amount of 100 ml. Leave everything to cool completely before pouring it into a clean spray bottle. A dark glass bottle is the best choice because it helps protect the herbal ingredients from light. The herbs used in this recipe can gradually darken hair, so if you have blonde or ginger hair, you can simply replace the herbal blend, which I share in the description box below. Next, add essential oils. I like to use rosemary and cedarwood essential oils because they help support scalp circulation, strengthen the hair, and stimulate hair growth. I also like to add lavender essential oil. I simply love its scent, but it also helps support healthy hair growth. For blonde and ginger hair, you can replace the lavender with chamomile, lemon, lime, or orange essential oil. Chamomile essential oil has slightly lightening properties, but it is also a good choice if you have a sensitive scalp thanks to its soothing properties. Citrus essential oils can also brighten the hair, however might increase the skin's sensitivity to sunlight, so they is best avoided during the summer or before spending time in strong sunshine. Next, add the preservative. This is an important ingredient because the spray contains water and herbs. With a preservative, it can be stored at room temperature according to the manufacturer's recommendation. Without one, it should only be kept for a few days in the fridge. Close the bottle and shake it well. The exact ingredient measurements for this recipe you can find in the description box below. Apply the spray directly to the scalp once or twice a day and gently massage it for a minute or two. The spray is water-based, so it feels light on the hair and it's suitable for daily use without leaving a greasy finish. Always shake the bottle before each use because the ingredients can settle over time. A spray bottle works very well for short hair. If your hair is long or thick, you might find that the dropper bottle makes it easy to apply the liquid directly onto the scalp. Remember that this is a cosmetic hair care product, not a medical treatment. Some research suggests that caffeine and rosemary may help support healthy hair growth and reduce hair loss. However, hair loss can have many different causes, so the results will vary from person to person. Use the spray as a part of your regular hair care routine to help support a healthy scalp and improve the condition of your hair over time. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!